All right. Sit. Good girl. Okay. Good boy, Jerry Lee. Go sit. You know better. Sit your butt down. Easy. Come here, Jerry Lee. Sit down. Sit down, Jerry Lee. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, everybody. Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is the last day of December. It is December 31st, 2022. And how much will I screw up saying 2023 and still call it 2022? We shall see. But anyway, I am actually feeling a whole lot better. I started antibiotics yesterday. Really, whatever was going on, that really I feel a lot better. So, Jerry Lee hasn't been up here, guys. Literally in like almost 2 weeks. Haven't seen him in almost 2 weeks. And she looks for him every single day. She looks for him every single day. And, it's, I feel bad for her because she just is like, where's my friend? Look at them. There's just two of them. They just love to play together. And she just loves that dog. And so we just got back. I took Steve to work this morning. And so then I wanted to go to Walmart. And I will show you what I did at Walmart here in a moment. But so we literally got back and she's running around and I'm unloading the truck. And all of a sudden, there he is down there. And when I saw him, I go, I called his name out. I go, Jerry Lee. She took off like a shot. She was so happy to see him. They just, they're definitely, look at her. She's just so happy. That is her buddy. That is her buddy. So, all right. So let's get down to business here. So, you guys shame me. And here's the thing, is this video is going to be called Lessons Learned, right? We learn from our mistakes. We talk about that. You make mistakes, you learn from your mistakes. So, what did I do today? All right. I did a couple of things here. I picked up a tire gauge, which will work not only for, the truck, the four-wheeler, the motorcycle, all that type of stuff. So I now have a tire gauge that will stay in the truck at all times. I also picked up a couple of cans of Fix-A-Flat, which I'll keep in the truck as well, just in case. But also, 24-volt cordless rapid inflator. So that is something else that I picked up. I think it's important, obviously, not having it when you need it. Now, what will happen is, folks, because I bought all this stuff, I won't need it again. But that's okay. I would rather have it and not need it than need it like I did and not have it, not realizing that it was just air pressure. And again, I'm going to show you this tire. This tire is perfectly fine. No issues with this tire at all. It is good to go. So the other thing that I did today, and just again, this is getting ready, preparation. We got rain in the forecast today, so I know that there was going to be rain all day today. We've had some already. And but what I was doing, okay, in my mind going, all right, I am not going to go through what I went through in the 7 below zero temperature again. So what these are here, these are Velcro tabs. All right, so I can stick them. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to put plastic on the windows first. So I picked up some of that. So I will definitely be putting that on the windows first. And then I picked up this bedding type of stuff. It's pretty thick, heavy duty, and so I am going to put the plastic on first on the windows inside, and then I'm going to put these on there, and that should help us retain heat inside the camper. And so with these, that's what I got the Velcro for, so that I can stick this to the wall and then to the blanket itself and use that to hold up the blankets in place to kind of block it in around the entire windows. So I will the outside window out here, the front window here, you know, and I'll do these other windows inside the camper to make sure that we have, you know, plenty of coverage so that we're keeping the warm air in and not losing it out through the windows and stuff like that. So I'm going to be plasticking first, then using those, and that is the game plan. And when I do that, I will show you, you know, as I do that project. But yeah, so that is me planning ahead and getting ready. And so I'll just close that for now. I'll grab that stuff that's got to come inside here in a little while. But really, really pleased. Yesterday, I did a little cleanup. I will show you here. Like I said, I wasn't feeling the best, but I wanted to try to start getting things squared away. Now, it's 51 degrees today. It's actually very, very mild. But these were the buckets here that blew out. So that one is fine. Those ones there are fine. And, well, it's funny because this one here, which has water in it, the top bucket cracked, but the bottom bucket is still fine. So that one gets to stay. Over here, that was some of the buckets here. But I will show you, like these ones here are shot. I think those are the ones that are shot. This one is good, but like you'll see here, and so what I have to do is you can see that one just blew right out completely. That one blew out completely. So some of these have blown out. Some of them are okay. It's so weird how that worked like that. But now I will say this: if it had not gotten to 7 below zero with a wind chill factor of 30 below zero, so look at these ones over here. Those are completely blown out. That one is too. I don't think they would have popped, okay? But I just think it was such an extreme cold. That's why that happened, and that's okay. That's okay. I'm okay with that. I can salvage the lids. I can pop them. I've already popped some of the lids off the other ones. So, you know, I didn't need this many buckets anyway, realistically. So it forces me to get rid of some of the bad buckets. But yeah, so there's some pretty bad buckets. So I have to finish doing that part of it. But you can see some of the water that I had dumped out, still frozen in blocks. And then there's still some up over here. But yeah, so that's what we, you know, dealing with. And you know, so I did take the other canopy down over here. I am going to save this from here because I'll super glue it and hopefully try to salvage it. It should work and it should be okay because I really like that vase, and it is an antique, so it's my dumb behind for leaving it out here with water in it. And so that's on, like I said, it's on me 100%. I take full responsibility. So I was being told what a pigsty my area looked like out here, so I wanted to clean it up a little bit. And I still got to organize a little bit. I want to clean it up a little bit more. But so that's where I'm at. That's what we're doing. But so right now it is not raining, which is good. But there is more rain in the forecast for this afternoon. So we're just going to kind of play that by ear. I am feeling 100% better than I did. And I think the antibiotics were the ticket for that. And so really, really happy with the results of that. And yeah, so that was my progress today. I am tired now, I will be honest with you. I definitely know I'm not 100%. I definitely feel better than I did. I don't feel that complete and total lack of energy, but I'm not going to push it because I definitely don't want to get sick again. The next 2 days are supposed to be fairly decent days. So I did talk to Steve, and we're probably going to get to work on the skirting within the next couple days. I definitely want to get that done. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So, you know, with getting the supplies that I need for the windows, I think is hugely important because, you know, even for the doorway, if I take some of that bedding and just hang it in front of the door, that's going to help just in there on the inside. And that's why, again, I wanted the Velcro so that they can stick it on both sides. And be able to tack that up and move it out of the way when I need to and stuff like that. So that's where I'm at. You know, good day. I feel better, which is great. And, you know, the dogs are running and playing, which is good. And she needs that too. And I'm so happy that he showed up today. That's really, really good. And of course, now they're out of my sight, so they're down into the woods. So I'm going to call her in just a moment. But actually, hold on. Come on, girl. Watch. I just saw her. See him coming up out of the woods over here? Come on, girl. There she is. There she is. Good girl. Good girl. Stay close. I know. You can play. You can play. No, no jumping. Hey, Jerry Lee. Hey, buddy. Come here. Oh, she don't like that. Come here, Jerry. Good boy. Oh, what a good boy Jerry Lee is. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Such a good-natured dog. All right, folks. I am going to jump off of here for now. I hope that you all have a very, very happy New Year. Please be safe tonight. No drinking and driving, please. If you're going to go out and drink, have a good time. I encourage you to have a good time. But don't get out there and drive. Too easy to get jammed up, and the cops are out there in droves just for that reason. Take the taxi home or have your designated driver. Just plan on doing that. All right? So, anyway, look at the two of them. They're so happy. It just makes my heart soar to see that. It really does. So, but anyway, guys, be safe. Remember, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that out, we will be in much, much better shape. Also, remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD. Step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you are trying to accomplish, whatever you're trying to do, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from achieving your goals is you. That's it. Nobody else. Stay positive. Stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. I will see you all later today. I will be doing a second video, but have a great day. And again, please, please, please be safe tonight. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.